Hey guys, I'm doing an updated bike check on both of my bikes. I just got some new parts. I don't know if I'm gonna post the unboxing or not, but here we go. I didn't really change really anything on it from the last one. Odyssey has their light back rim with Odyssey P-Light tire. Got no chain, broke the chain. I actually bought a chain breaker to take this off because I was going to put a shadow one on, but yeah, I need to grease it up. I just took a lot of the grease off. Okay, stock bottom bracket. Fit down low or low down sprocket. I really don't know. Like I said last time, it's just one of them. Got the Fit Lurch 2011 frame. We got Odyssey Mr. Clampy seat clamp. I just wanted something polished, so I got it even though I haven't integrated. So it's like two. I got a Fit, brain fart, pivotal seat post with a Fit seat from my Brian Foster. I got FSA Bad Boy Cranks V2. I actually like them. They're left right hand versatile. I'm probably going to be since this from Benz, I'm probably going to go left hand and put pegs back on. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals and root beer. I got, let's see if you can see that, the Shadow integrated headset. Sorry. S&M top load stem race again. I got the Fit on bars still. I don't know, I thought they would be big, but on me they're like small. Probably gonna get Primo Sam Squatch, I think I'm saying it right. Bars. 8.7 rise. I got Fit Team grips. Worn down with some lizard skins. Lizard skins up Fit bar ends. Fit Shiv forks, not the Shiv 2. Mike Aiken front tire. I got rid of my shitty green one. This is a Shadow Stun front wheel. Raptor hub. I don't really. No, I just put it on. Spokes are still loose. You guys can hear that. I see it. See it bend in. Yeah, I bet you can hear that. Okay, but there's one bike. And now here's the other. Most all the same. Like I said. But got some very nice keyboard grips. No point in unboxing that. Okay, we got an Aitken back tire on. To like 10, I don't know. I really don't know. P-Light. It's actually a 1.90. Primo mixed back hub, I think. It's stock, same as rim. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, stock cranks. I think they're, I don't know if they're Primo Fit. I'm guessing because the Primo have the pinch bolt, they can like fit flows or something. Stock bottom bracket sealed. Shadow pivotal seat post with a Fit seat, same one, just different material. Tektro brakes. I'm probably gonna get new brakes. Like the liner and lever are good, just the bottom. Fit. Sorry about that. Sprocket, same thing as the other one, but 27 tooth in chrome or polished. Blade Light forks. Odyssey headset. Fit top load, download stem, like the version, but top load and give it a little bit of a rise. I got a Primo V Dirt Monster tire. I think it's on the other side. Yeah, right there. Sticker right there. Kink Wolf bars. I got some Lizard Skins Animal Edwin grips. There's some Animal push-in bar ends. Stock Odyssey brake lever. That. I forgot to mention on this back one, it's like retarded little thing, but just some shadow polished. I got ones for this one, but since it's female, the female axle, you know, you can just pull it out and then put it in for the forks. Yeah, so those bones won't work. Okay, guys, so there you go. Ran hub. I'm getting I don't know, one of the shadow hub guards at the front. And when I get my new hub, probably demolition hub with an RC. Yeah. So there you guys go.